Good morning students, I am your math teacher Kiran Singh. In previous video we were doing worksheet 7 of chapter 7 algebraic identities. Up to question number 12 we had completed. Now we will do question number 13. Our question number 13 is x square plus 2x minus 24. In earlier class I had told you that at first we will multiply the constant terms of x square and last term. So we will multiply 1 into 24, then we will get 24. Now we will factorize it. 12 2s are 24, 6, 2 3s are 6. Now we will arrange it. 3 2s are 6, 6 and 2 2s are 4. If you will add 6 plus minus 4, then you will get 2, and if you will multiply 6 into 4, then you will get 24. So we can write x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. Now from here we can take x as common. X plus 6 minus 4, x plus 6. Now we can write the common part at first. X plus 6 into x minus 4. In this way we have completed question number 13 also. Now we will do question number 14. X square minus 3x minus 54. Now we will multiply 54 into 1. We will get 54. Now we will break it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9. Now you can see 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. Minus 9 plus 6 equal to, you will get 3, and 9 6 are 54. So we can write x square minus 9x plus 6x minus 54. Now from here we can take x as common. X minus 9. From here we can take 6 as common. X minus 9. 9 6 are 54. So we can write x minus 9 into x plus 6. In this way we have completed question number 14 also. Now we will do our question number 15. A square minus 7a plus 12. Now we will multiply 12 into 1. We will get 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. We can check. 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 7. We can write a square minus 4a minus 3a plus 12. From here we can take a as common. A minus 4. From here we can take 3 as common. A minus 4. Therefore we can write a minus 4 into a minus 3. Now we will do our question number 16 also. Our question number 16 is p square minus 3pq plus 2q square. Now we will multiply 2 into 1 equal to 2. So we can write p square minus pq or minus 2pq. You can see minus 2pq minus 1pq. If you will add, then you will get minus 3pq plus 2q square. From here we can take p as common. P minus q. From here you can take 2 as common. 2q you can take as common. P minus q. So we can write p minus q into p minus 2q. In this way we have completed all questions of worksheet 7. Now we will do our value based questions. Our question number 1 is, in the vacations, Gautam purchased x square plus 8x minus 20 game CDs, while Sanyam purchased x plus 4 whole square game CDs. Who purchased more CD and by how much? From here we can start the solution. At first we will write CD games purchased by Gautam. Game CDs purchased by Gautam equal to x square plus 8x minus 20. Next, who is Sanyam? We will write game CDs purchased by Sanyam equal to ax plus 4 whole square. Now we can break it in the form of, by using the identity a plus b whole square. We can write a square, it means x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 4 plus b square. So we can write x square plus 4 to the 8x plus 16. Now we will compare it. Our question is who purchased more CDs and by how much? Here you can match it, x square similar, 8x similar, here given minus 20 and here given plus 20. All of you knowing, here given minus 20, here given plus 16. All of you knowing plus 16 is greater than minus 20. So clearly we can see Sanyam purchased more CD games. And by how much? If we will subtract this from this, then we will get the answer. We can write Sanyam purchased more game CDs. More game CDs by x square plus 8x plus 16 minus x square plus 8x minus 20. X square plus 8x plus 16 minus x square minus 8x minus plus x square will be cancelled, minus 8x plus 8x will be cancelled. Now we will add it, 36. It means Sanyam purchased 36 game CDs than Gautam. In this way we have completed our A part. Our B part is write any one advantage and one disadvantage. One advantage is entertainment. We can see advantage equal to entertainment, and next disadvantage. If we will sit at one place for long time, then we may suffer by obesity. Obesity, all of you knowing the meaning of obesity. Obesity means motapa. Now we will do our question number 2 of value based questions. Our question number 2 is on the Earth Day, cubical flower pots with plants of base area x square plus 6x plus 9 square units were placed on a rectangular land of area x plus 3 into 7x plus 21 square units. How much pots were placed? Try to understand this question. On the Earth Day, cubical flower pot. It means the area of flower pot equal to this one. At first we will write what is given. In solution we will write what is given in this question. Then we will solve. We will write area of cubical flower pot. Cubical flower pot equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 square units. Square units. Now units were placed on a rectangular land. So we can write area of rectangular land means equal to x plus 3 into 7x plus 21. We will multiply it. X into 7x plus 21 we can write. Again we can write 3 into 7x plus 21. 7x square plus 21x plus 7 3 ja 21x plus 61 3 ja 63. So we can write 7x square plus 42x plus 63. The area of rectangular line equal to 7x square plus 42x plus 63 square units. Now here try to understand this question. Suppose it is a rectangular land. Rectangular land means suppose it is a field, and here we want to arrange a cubical flower pot. Suppose it is a cubical flower pot. We can arrange it. Then in question asking how many flower pots can be arranged here. How we can find? Number of flower pots equal to area of rectangular land divided by area of cubical flower pot. Then only we can find the number. So we will divide it. A number question. Number of pots equal to area of rectangular land divided by area of flower pot. Flower pot. Area of rectangular line, from here you can see it is given 7x square. We can take 7s common, then we can write x square. 7 6 are 42, 7 9 are 63. Here we can write x square plus 6x plus 9, and square units will be cancelled. Now it is cancelled. Then we can write 7 flower pots can be arranged in this rectangular land. Our next question is write the importance of trees in our life. Trees plays an important role in our life. All of you knowing it plays an important role in air purifying. So we can write air purifier. In this way we have completed value based questions also. In next video we will start our brain teaser questions. Dear students, in coming days I will do the solutions of all chapters and all questions from the book, maths book of class 8. So till now if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. Thank you for watching me.